You can expect a lot from the 2018 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 40,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.